Welcome back into this new video, guys, with TechSpress. I'm going to be showing you how to get started with Epic Games. Now, if you have a PC or your laptop and you want to download Epic Games, the process actually is not going to be that hard. First of all, let's get started, of course, with the downloading the installer. If you head to the official website, which is store.epicgames.com, you can see that here it should be appearing the actual element of the store. Into the upper right corner, you can see that this one says download. Just like that, into the upper right section, it should be appearing this element that says already been installed. Now, this other way how we can do this, which you need to do, is just to go into Google, into the browser that you currently have, type the word Epic Games, and instead of clicking directly inside here, you can see that down here we have the download element, which is the download section. So just click directly inside there, and just like that, into the upper right section, you have the downloadable of it. Once you have successfully done that element, what you needed to do is to type into this little folder icon, or go directly into your Explorer, which you can the file explorer, where you can see where are the downloads available. In my case, it's directly inside here into download. So here I just double click directly into the Epic installer. Make sure that you're using the latest version. It says install Epic launchers here into the program files. So don't move this, leave it as it is. If you have a hard drive disk to locate more applications, then what you need to do is to find directly that inside here. In my case, I'm going to just leave this as it is. I'm going to go for the option that says install. Your computer is going to be asking you to grant the access to this application to make changes for the device. In this case, I'm going to go for the option that says yes, continue, and it says they're actually validating the actual credentials and all of that. So just wait a few seconds till the application has now been successfully installed. Once this process has now been successfully added, what you want to do is going for the option that says complete. And just like that, the actual Epic Games will be appearing into your computer. So you'll see this prompt, keep the launcher into your drive, click into the install. Now what you needed to do is to sign in. You can use your existing Google account, you can use your Xbox or the PlayStation accounts to save some time data. I strongly suggest you that you activate the two-factor authenticator in order to have access to some free games. So to test your installation, scroll down to the free games section. Every week there's a new one if you wanted to try one. So what you wanted to do is to go directly here into your Explorer element, Janvos, and here it says price. Usually I go for the one that says free. And well, here you have Defender, Trenches, Nobody Wants to Die. So there's a lot that are totally for free that you might want to try on. So select the game that you would like to purchase, which is of course totally for free. I select that games, and when I am okay with that, I go for the option that says get. And just like that, I'm going to be having now access directly to the order of the Epic Games. Once you have made this purchase, you can download this and play this anytime you wanted to. If you let's say uninstall this and you install this, you can still have this directly into your account. So it says see into my elements, into my library, and you can see that here it is my actual game already been downloaded. So hopefully guys, you have a very great tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. What are some more great tools like this? Thank you so much for watching the video, guys, and well, hopefully you can all see you well next time.